Hello guys, good morning. So yesterday we went to the supermarket and I found this coffee grinder and I want to try it, so we bought it guys. And also we bought these coffee grains, yes, because I want to try it. And this is the supermarket brand and it smells so good. That is why guys I can't resist. And the price is really good as well. That is why I bought this one, because the other brands half of this and they have the same price. So I bought this 1 kilo and the other one is 500 grams and the same price guys. So I bought this supermarket brand, but because I want to try it, so let's try it. So guys, I opened it and it's like this. It looks so cute. Ganyan siya. Nandiyan yung grinder. Yes, so let's try it guys. Hello guys, good morning. Today is 14th February 2021 and it's Sunday. Thank you darling. And we are going to celebrate the Valentines a little bit. Yes, so we are going to do some barbecue. Yes guys, so we are going to grill meat and also leeks guys, or spring onion, something like that. Yes, and they call it here in Catalonia callouts. Yes guys, so we are going to do that. And now I'm going to lit the fire outside, yes, to the barbecue pit, because it's already 12:40 midday here. My husband and Haley went out, and because today here is the election day here in Catalonia guys. Okay guys, so we have this to lit the fire. Okay guys, so nandito ang ating callouts. This is the callout. Yes, like onion, spring onion or leeks. Leeks guys. Isa lang guys ang binili ko kasi ang dami pala. Cookie, what are you doing? Huh? Playing? Okay, my husband will teach you how to eat callouts.
No, esto es la part cremada.
Yeah.
¿Sí? ¿Está bien? Aviam si me'n recordo. Oi que sí, que va així?
Yes, a little bit more, I think, Daddy.
De netejar més?
Yes.
Així, algo així se fa. Després se posa el tassot així, Hailey, mira.
Wow! Is it good, Daddy? Lakota is
It's so
looking
sweet.
at Daddy.
Mira. El sucre?
Yes, very good, Hailey. You did it, Hailey. That's right. Yes, yes. Now try the salsa, Hailey.
Mira, potser n'hi ha més.
Is the salsa good, Daddy?
Està molt bona, està molt bona.
Wow.
Mira, ara, mira, Hailey. Ara ho estic fent bé.
Yes, Hailey. No, not this one, Hailey. The other one. This one, yes.
Ui, està molt bo.
Is yummy, Hailey? Lakota is asking
Sí,
you.
sí, sí, és bo. Perquè això se'n treu la part cremada, però aquí n'hi ha una altra.
Kain tayo, everyone. Let's eat.
Ja està?
Yes, Hailey.
Aquí tens la part tendra, que pots menjar, mira. Aquí t'hi menja, que menjarem la Hailey i jo. Mira.
Lakota, darling. Wow, Lakota's eating her barbecue now. Good job, darling. Oh, good job. Is it good, Lakota? Yes. Very good, darling.
Veus? Queda una miqueta brut, però no passa res, se pot menjar això també. Això, les capes.
And our meat.
Papa, ja
Mira,
està?
llavors així, se suca, així.
Papa, ja està?
Ja està. Ara, mira.
Toma.
Valentine's Day, sweetie! Love you. Beautiful city, you like?
Sí, I like it so much.
Pues
Thank
decía
you,
la tabla,
Mario.
sí, vos, cariño, sí. Wow!
Beautiful flowers, everyone.
Ya.
Sorry, Lakuta's presents too.
¿Cómo sobre la jota? Pero no brillo. Mira aquí, mira.
El batín policario.
¿Eh? ¡Ay, wow! ¡Hola! ¡Mi amor!
Wow, Lakuta.
Legítimo! ¡Hola! ¡Ostras, está molt bé!
Wow,
Sí que
Lakuta.
m'agrada la jota, mira!
Mira.
Mira! ¡Hola, nena! Molt bé! Molt bé!
Wow, Lakuta loves
Molt
it.
bé! Ara el papa dona a Hailey. Crec que és Valentine's Day, Hailey! Love you!
Molt bé, no? Lakuta.
I mira, el papa dona la cosa també. Wow! I hope you like it, Hailey.
Wow, Hailey. Wow.
Mira la cosa, ya se mira la cosa. ¿Ya?
Lakuta, Hailey, show mommy.
¡Bravo!
En Lakuta.
Oh.
Wow, Lakuta.
Hey!
Lakuta. Lakuta.
A bird!
A
teddy
bear.
bird.
Lakuta.
Molt bé!
Wow.
Wow!
Lakuta's bear.
Wow!
Papa, mama.
Wow.
Papa, mama.
Molt bé. Ah!
Wow.
Very good! Ui, això, ja ho direm ara.
Chocolate, thank you.
Molt bé! What more? Wow, calçots, no! Wow! Wow! So good! I need it.
Sino?
I need a... Wow! So good! Thank you so much! Sí,
T'agrada?
sí. Passa que veig que hi ha per ciment i vull obrir després. Espera. Aquest és per mama!
Oh, gracias. Thank you.
Que bé, noies! Som so happy!
Jersey? Wow!
Tu!
Lakuta. Hailey, ma-obrerer las duas ba?
La puta! Que bé, carinyo, molt bé! Sí.
Wow!
Ah! Hola, nena! Wow! Oh, carai!
Hello guys, I am making dessert. Yes, so I just finished making the custard. Yun ang custard cream, yun ang ilagay natin sa ating puff pastry on top. And then after that, yung fruits like raspberries, strawberries, blueberry, and yeah, kiwi. So yun ang ilagay natin. And yeah, I will show you guys later. So guys, nandito na ang ating custard cream. Look at that. It's perfect. Ilagay ko sa labas guys kasi as in na umuusok siya because it is very hot. I just finished making it and now I'm going to put outside to cool it down and then we can put it on top guys sa ating puff pastry. Yes, look at that. It looks so delicious. Not looks so delicious, but it is so good. and delicious. Can you see that? Ayan guys. It is very easy to make this one guys. Yeah. So guys, these are the fruits that we are going to put on top of our puff pastry. So we have blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Yes, and also kiwi. Yes, I will show you guys the outcome later.